How to install Bluewallet Bitcoin wallet app. It's kind of rising Bitcoin wallet app on iOS. So just tap get and just double click to install it. Confirm with a Face ID or Touch ID. And then here you can just tap to open it up. Then you can see it here. And then it's free and you can create as many as you like. Add wallet. You can just name it as you want. Then there is type, Lightning, Bitcoin, Vault, or you can also tap import and then just tap create. And then you can just see like your secret phrase, and there you have it. So that's your wallet. And then yeah, you can see like this. Or the details, security. You can use Face ID, for example. So yeah, super easy to instantly create a wallet. So that's why this app is kind of cool. Just then also, Lightning for spending with instant transaction, Vault, best security for large amount. So there you have it.